Even I think they call whatever. So it happened with meaning Cisco's it's like they're bomb, they're all like
Cuddling.
you understand? And then like when they which is very in court
lapha i-TV kumbe nini?
Thina.
Oh, okay.
TV seyiphelile
Ngicedzile kuJonas lapha.
nakhona Jonas beyangakapheli. It's just ukuthi yabona amanye ama-clip
Avusa the thing.
and manipulation nje.
Yes.
So when they lefuna kwenteke fine ngashootha i-clip ngashootha i-video.
Intimacy.
Yes.
Oh dear.
Mara besingabonakali. It was just the sound. Nanamamoning. Phela. And bekungabonakali lutho i-video i-blank. Good lokubonakalayo.
Then
But you can tell.
Poster.
Then I poster.
Why did you do that?
To be honest, I had like no plan. Angizama ukuthi justify angizama nje noma nje ngathi lie guys ngangijudge.
Yes,
Really,
no, we're
after
not
all I'm a
judging.
very after dark.
Oh,
I'm gonna be quite low.
Aish.
Sharp.
When you
Yeah. So if you don't post along with mina ngiyatizamela guys and understand, especially for social media.
Okay.
I mean, I'm really trying to be being one of those people.
Those people. Thank you.
Yebo. Ngiyazama.
Siyabonga. Ngicela ngithathele amaglasi base bangitshela ukuthi amaglasi ayadura. Bazongishaya. I don't even have money for paying. Thanks a lot, ne? We really appreciate free cocktail. What's happening, guys? If another half now, another half now, happens another half, that's a full glass. No, I'm not. Okay, there's the free cocktail from what? What do you mean? It's called
7
till 9, eh? Oh, 7 till 9. Okay, it was music 9 p.m. 7. That's 1 minute to 7. Even then, la. Dating at 5 to 9. Then it's in 3-4 hours sometimes. Mara ninenibhora ngento leyi-1 ukuthi uma seniceda kunenza ama-cocktail niyahamba. Oh, shout out to you guys. So, okay. Uyatizamela, you were saying uyatizamela.
Yeah, as I was saying,
Yes. Yeah.
Ngigrow kanjani?
It's none of someone's business.
But ngiyazama ukuthi ngigrow.
Grow, yeah.
Khona like more, achieve like more thing likhona.
Yeah.
Because Facebook Facebook nje.
Yes.
Facebook udinga into lonayindaba imali.
Yes.
Facebook nje like ungangena Facebook udinike isikhathi sakho. Ayike uzoshayeka mntana.
Already usogile wabhadalela wani Facebook. Malini?
And ngenxa yale viki.
And ngenxa
Yona le? Are you for real? Yaketshela malini?
Bona lokuma peanuts but like
There's no peanuts.
ngila ngifinyelele khona.
How much?
Ngeke basangisubscribela lapha.
How much was it?
Na ngabatshela ngeke.
More than
Mara yona
malini? Yeah.
Mina umculo wami.
Shout out. It's better than nothing. No, shout out. Mina angazi anything ever since TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatsoever angazi anything. And I'm even a clue because only ngiyaqhubeka ngenda le plan wena.
Ngalo 300 like ngiyambonga cause ngimele like bengazi just there I was posting ngisho ukuthi.
So but that guy he was aware what you doing.
Even if he's not, even if he is, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn because like nale malanga yami utshela ukuthi ngithulile just because mina nawe njani
Send this
njani
off.
you know.
Mara vele ngana kavili vele naye.
nanoma ngavela uyosho njani ukuthi nguye
Kuthiwa ngandaba.
ngoba phela mina nanoma ungangiqonga ngitshela kade ukuthi bhebhebhele I'm taken ngiqonyiwe